we're talking about, and our little Chihuahua absolutely loves it. She used to take forever eating her food, but now she gobbles it down and actually begs for her food every night. So she'll scratch on the cupboard until we feed her. Oh, you got to stop that. You really got to stop that. Her energy is up. She runs up and down the stairs easier than ever. I mean, you could stop it, or you could just get a real dog. You know, Chihuahuas, I'm just, hey, look, you're a fan. You're buying Rough Greens. I'm a fan of yours. I'll pretend I like Chihuahuas. Here's the thing. Rough Greens, you get it now, you can get a free... You can get a free sample bag just for your dog, air quotes, to check out. First trial bag is free. All you pay for is shipping. Just go to roughgreens.com/Beck, roughgreens.com/Beck, or call 833-GLEN-33. That's 833-GLEN-33.
It's going to be crazy tonight. Election coverage at blazetv.com/midterms. The promo code is REDWAVE. Get $30 off.
Happy holidays, Bay Area. I'm Amy Eric, founder of Madison Reed, a hair color company I named after my daughter. I started Madison Reed to give you the most luxurious hair color made with ingredients you can feel good about. Are you tired of spending hundreds of dollars at the salon, having appointments take 3 hours, and not knowing the ingredients in your hair color? Then you should try Madison Reed. You may know Madison Reed for its at-home hair color, but big news, we now have 6 locations in the Bay Area where we color your hair for you. We call them hair color bars. Book a service and let us take care of you in half the time it takes at a typical salon and for a fraction of the price. For a limited time, enjoy our new client offer on root services, starting at $60. Visit madison-reed.com/San Francisco. That's madison-reed.com/San Francisco. Try it, love it. That's the beauty of Madison Reed.
Sip your way into the holiday spirit with Starbucks Peppermint Mocha. Sweet creamy whip, chocolatey swirl, a dash of peppermint, steamed milk, and espresso. It's a little gift to give yourself. Find your cheer on the Starbucks app today.
Fox News, I'm Chris Foster. The Powerball lottery jackpot breaks the $2 billion mark for the drawing that ended up happening this morning instead of last night.
The Multi-State Lottery Association later revealing that one participating lottery was still processing its sales and play data and the need to adhere to stringent security requirements to protect the integrity of the game. But this morning, the winning numbers are in 10, 33, 41, 47, and 56 with the Powerball 10. Matt Napolitano, Fox News.
Republicans this election day are looking to flip Senate seats in states like Arizona, Georgia, and Nevada.
The GOP, though, will have to hold on to a handful of races Democrats see as an opportunity to flip. Fox News has Pennsylvania rated as a toss-up, with races in North Carolina, Ohio, and Wisconsin also tight.
Fox's Ryan Schmelz. Voters in 36 states are electing governors today. America's listening to Fox News.
Festivals, football, flannels. Some say fall is their favorite time of year. And this fall, there are now updated COVID-19 booster shots designed to help protect against COVID-19 variants. If you've had your primary series, schedule an updated COVID-19 booster shot appointment as soon as you're eligible. And don't forget to enjoy the foliage. Sponsored by Pfizer and BioNTech.
You don't ride an elevator for the music, and you don't pick an airline for the movies. So when it comes to audio entertainment, it makes sense to choose Audible. It's the home for stories told by the biggest stars, like John Hamm, Kerry Washington, and Kevin Hart. It's home to epic adventures, chilling mysteries, and can't-miss comedies. Audible is the home of storytelling. Let your imagination soar with audiobooks, podcasts, and originals. Start a free trial at audible.com.
Keep this advertisement quick because speed is what we do best. Oil Changers offers fast and friendly oil changes while you wait in the comfort of your car. In just 15 minutes, our trained technicians will change your oil, air filter, and check and adjust your fluids and tire pressure. Save $15 off your next oil change by visiting our website, oilchangers.com/radio. That's oilchangers.com/radio. Oil Changers. Drive through. Drive happy.
As a Walgreens pharmacist, people ask me, Keisha, why should I get a flu shot and a COVID-19 booster? And I say, look, it's not just about protecting yourself. It's also about protecting everyone else in your life. And if you're in good health, you'll be there for your parents' anniversary party, or your kid's dance recital, or the people you volunteer for at the community center.
When you need to talk vaccinations, your Walgreens pharmacist is here. Schedule your free flu shot and COVID-19 booster at walgreens.com/schedule vaccines. No cost to you with most insurance or government assistance. Vaccines subject to availability. State, age, and health-related restrictions may apply.
At Frontier, we know you've had enough of cable internet. If you're tired of steep price hikes, upload speeds slower than download speeds, and worrying about Wi-Fi, then uncable yourself and switch to Frontier Fiber. With unrandom pricing, equal uploads and downloads, and our whole home Wi-Fi guarantee. Introducing internet that works the way it should. Frontier Gig Fiber, with our 3-year price guarantee. Plus, you can get a $200 Visa reward card on us. See frontier.com/fast4 for complete offer, terms, eligibility, and performance details. Subject to availability.
Hey, Dad, can you turn on the AC?
Talk to the car, buddy.
Hey, Mercedes, can you make it cooler?
Activating air conditioning.
I could really go for a latte.
Talk to the car.
You love saying that, don't you?
Maybe.
Hey, Mercedes, I need a coffee.
With artificial intelligence and MBUX voice command, the Mercedes-Benz range of sedans are so forward-thinking, their tech speaks for itself. Go to your local dealer or MBUSA.com to learn more.
MBUX command simulated.
iHeartRadio brings you New to View, Streaming Edition.
Looking for stuff to watch? Listen up. Next week on Netflix, Monday, the debut of Jonah Hill's documentary Stutz on his journey in therapy with his actual therapist, Phil Stutz. Also Monday, the premiere of Netflix's reboot of the kids show Teletubbies. Next Tuesday, the debut of Dion Cole's new stand-up special, Dion Cole, Charlene's Boy. Next Wednesday, the premiere of the Netflix period piece mystery, The Wonder. Thursday, the debut of 1899, a new mind-bending series from the creators of Dark, as well as the season 3 premiere of the Netflix original Dead to Me, starring Christina Applegate and Linda Cardellini, and the documentary I Am Vanessa Guillen. Next Friday on Netflix, the second season debut of the animated comedy Inside Job, and the family movie premiere of Slumberland, starring Jason Momoa. Next Wednesday on Freebie, the season 2 debut of Leverage Redemption, the Disney Plus premiere of Limitless with Chris Hemsworth. Next Thursday on Peacock, the season 4 debut of the animated series Dragons: The Nine Realms. Over on HBO Max is the season 2 premiere of The Sex Lives of College Girls. And next Friday on Amazon Prime Video, the debut of the comedy film The People We Hate at the Wedding, starring Kristen Bell and Allison Janney. Next Friday on Apple TV Plus, a bunch of premieres, starting with the Christmas comedy Spirited, starring Ryan Reynolds and Will Ferrell. A new episode of Fraggle Rock, Back to the Rock, and the kids' cartoon debut of Interrupting Chicken.
And that's New to View on iHeartRadio. Happy binging!
Welcome to the... You know what? This is really bad because this is like the day after we've been up all night.
Usually the show goes off the rails.
Off the rails. And for it to happen so early in the day,
Yeah, this is bad.
of a very, very long day tomorrow, all bets are off.
Yeah, we're screwed.
Blake Masters is here. He is the U.S. Senate candidate in Arizona. Blake, I want you to know we all called you as the winner today. We're betting on you. Betting
I
on you.
appreciate it, Glenn. Thank you. Great to join you. We're feeling great. We've got the momentum. We just need to seal the deal.
Yeah, you've got 2 polls out today that show you ahead. And you've been campaigning with Carrie as well, and I just can't imagine her, sweeping up and you not being able to close the deal against the space guy.
We're going to send him back to space. I think the last 4 or 5 polls, last 4 out of 5 polls that I've seen had me up.
right? So we're peaking at the right time, certainly. The independents that are crucial are breaking our way.